must live a modest life. But you see, ito po ang pagbabasihan ng paglilingkod po natin. As per my observation, this is because this is a report to you, the local government unit, as well as the provincial or any agencies for that matter, within our area of responsibility, of which I am mandated by the people to lead you as mayor, I, modesty aside, with humility, nagampanan po naman natin karamihan yung mandato po ng being as an accountable officer, especially with the presented programs and plans which will benefit the general constituency. Modesty aside po yun. Hindi ko sinabing nagampanan po natin lahat. Those were the times when we did our level best para mapaglingkuran yung masa, even to the grassroots level. The living witness to that will be the punong barangays and the councils, which they are the executive for that matter. And they can attest to that. Never did I oppress anybody, or never did the legislation made by the Sangguniang Bayan have to oppress anybody in this beautiful town of ours. Kaya nga po, may pagmamalaki natin yung mga elected officials din yan. Kayo din, mga barangay captain. Para sa ganun, may pakita natin being na sinusunod natin itong Article 11 of the Constitution of Public Accountability. But the thing is, anyway, this is a part of the regular session.